วัสดีครับ Some students ask me to solve this type of question, and this question come from the textbook of the statistics from the Hiblers. So in the class, I always told my student that there are three types of the question in terms of the three dimensionals. The first one we call three angles systems, and another one is the two angle system. In terms of triangle system, they will give you the angles between that vectors and the exit. But in terms of two angles, they will give you the angles between F and one plane and one exit. So look to the figures in this question. They give you only two angles, but the angle that they give you is not in the two angles system. They give you the angle between F and the exit. Like this one, this is between the force and the minus X exit. And for this one, it is between the force and the C exit. So you have to apply in terms of the triangle systems to define this force in terms of vector. So in triangle systems, we will use F equal to the magnitude of F cos the angle between itself to the exit, and then continue to the y-axis here, and for the last one is this cos gamma k. So right now they already give you some magnitude of this force, which equal to 500, and then the angle between F and minus X. So I will write down here, and then I will write down the exit as the negative size. For this one, I will reduce it as Fy first, and then J. And please notice that you can see in the figures that this Fy will go to the negative size. So I will put some minus sign here. And then I will continue with the Fc, which is equal to 500 cos 60 as well, and then k. So I will reduce this term by put the value of cos 60, which equal to 1 over 2. So I will get minus 250 I plus minus Fyj, and then plus 250k. So I will leave this as the first equation. And then how to find the F in terms of y-axis, the component of force in y-axis. We will apply another equation. In this one, I will show you by apply the equation to find out the magnitude of force, which should be equal to fx square plus fy square plus fc square, and take the square root of this term. We already know the size of the f, the magnitude of the f, and we already know the magnitude of fx and fc. So you can solve this by take the square both sides. You will get 250,000 in the left hand side, and then 62,500 plus fy square plus 62,500. So you can find out fy square should be equal to 125,000. Fy will be equal to the square root of this term, and it is minus 353.55 in the negative y-axis. You can also find out the angles of Fy by put it back to this term. Fy will be equal to uh, Fy will be equal to the sine of f and then cos beta, and then don't forget that in this term we already set it in the negative y. So Fy here I will use just only 353.55 without any sign, the minus sign. Over 500 you will get cos beta, and then beta will be equal to arc cos of this term 0.701, and then cos of this one will be equal to 45. So that is uh, the angles between f and then the minus y-axis is 45. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send the message to me. I will try to solve everything for you. So see you in next clip. Thank you.